Hello everyone, I'm Vanila. Welcome to my kitchen. I would like to show you how I bake my bread. I like to eat only my bread, baked by myself. I've got this wonderful machine where I put all the ingredients inside and then I switch on the wall and it does the job for you in 3 days. 3 days. What am I saying? 3 hours. 3 days. So I use a bit more like this. So I use yeast. I cut this. This is one of my ingredients. So we do it like this. In the bin, this one, I take sugar. I put 2 scoops of sugar to help it raise, to help it grow. So, put a bit of salt, table salt. Then I take flour. I put the flour in the bag here. This is the flour. And this is the bigger scoop, bigger cup, which I measure how much of a flour I need to put in this machine, in this bread maker. So this is 1. Two is enough for this size of a bread. I'll close it. And now I pour some water. One cup. And a little more. And then I switch on the wall and I click start. And this is how I make my bread. My bread becomes a little bit like this. Like this. I cut it in half and it's very tasty and it's wholemeal bread. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I hope you like this video, how I make my own bread. Please comment below and put likes. Love you. Bye.